Welcome to our No BS guide on how to actually make money online. If you're tired of scams and get-rich-quick schemes, you're in the right place. Look, I get it. The internet is full of promises of easy money, but the truth is, most of it is just hype. My goal today is to cut through the noise and give you real, actionable strategies that you can use to build a sustainable income online. It's not going to be a walk in the park, it takes effort, but it's definitely achievable if you're willing to put in the work. Before you even think about launching a website, starting a new business, or diving into any major project, there's one critical step you absolutely cannot afford to skip. Whether it's buying a camera for your new vlog, setting up an online store, or even planning a personal fitness journey, we need to talk about setting goals. It sounds simple, but you wouldn't believe how many people skip this crucial step. They dive headfirst into their projects without a clear roadmap, and then wonder why they feel lost or frustrated. So, what does setting realistic goals actually look like? It's not just about jotting down a few vague ideas, it's about creating a detailed plan that outlines what you want to achieve and how you plan to get there. First off, forget about making $10,000 overnight. It's just not realistic and sets you up for disappointment. Instead, think about what you can achieve in the short term that will build towards your long-term goals. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and burnout. It's important to be honest with yourself about what you can achieve given your current resources and time constraints. Instead, focus on what you can realistically achieve. Maybe you want to earn an extra $500 a month to pay off some debt or start investing. That's a great starting point. Once you have that goal in mind, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, if you want to make $500 a month, that could mean finding 5 clients who pay you $100 each. See? Much less intimidating, right? By breaking down your goals into smaller tasks, you make them more achievable and less overwhelming. Another important aspect of goal setting is to regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life is unpredictable and sometimes things don't go as planned. That's okay. The key is to stay flexible and adapt your goals as you go. If you want to make $500 a month, that could mean finding 5 clients who pay you $100 each. Or it could mean selling 50 products at $10 each. The point is to find a strategy that works for you, see? Much less intimidating, right? And remember, it's not just about the end goal. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Each step you complete brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. It's better to make consistent small progress than to burn out trying to achieve too much too quickly. So take your time, set realistic goals, and enjoy the journey. And don't forget to take breaks and take care of yourself. Goal setting is important, but so is your well-being. Balance is key to long-term success. So before you dive into your next big project, take a moment to set clear, realistic goals. Your future self will thank you. Okay, let's dive into some specific ways to make money online. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for people with various skills. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's a place for you in the online marketplace. The key is to identify what you're good at and find a way to monetize those skills. One of my favorite methods is freelancing. Freelancing allows you to work on a variety of projects, often from the comfort of your own home. You can set your own hours, choose the projects that interest you, and work with clients from all over the world. The beauty of freelancing is that you can leverage your existing skills to start earning money right away. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or a social media expert, there's a demand for your skills. Are you a great writer? A talented graphic designer? Maybe you have a knack for creating engaging content or designing stunning visuals. Maybe you're a whiz at social media. You know how to create posts that get likes, shares, and comments. You understand the algorithms and can help businesses grow their online presence. Whatever your skills, chances are someone out there is willing to pay you for them. The internet has made it easier than ever to connect with potential clients and showcase your talents. The best place to start is on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Guru. These platforms are designed to connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. You can create a profile, list your skills, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. When you're first starting out, don't be afraid to undercharge a bit to build up your portfolio and get some positive reviews. It's important to establish a good reputation and show potential clients that you're reliable and skilled. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your rates. Over time, you'll build a solid client base and be able to charge what you're truly worth. Remember, your skills have value, and with dedication and hard work, you can turn them into a profitable online career. Chapter 3. Digital Products. Create once, sell forever. Now, if you're looking for a way to generate passive income, selling digital products is where it's at. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money while you were sleeping. That's the beauty of digital products. They work for you around the clock, even when you're not actively working. Think about it. You create the product once, and you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's an online course, an ebook, or a set of templates, once it's out there, it can keep generating income for you indefinitely. This is the essence of passive income. You could create online courses, ebooks, templates, stock photos, the list goes on. Each of these products can cater to different audiences and niches. For instance, an online course can be a comprehensive guide on a subject you're passionate about, while an ebook can be a deep dive into a specific topic. Templates can save people time and effort, and stock photos can be used by businesses and individuals alike. The key here is to identify a need in the market and create a high-quality product that solves a problem or provides value. Market research is crucial. Spend time understanding what people are looking for, what problems they face, and how you can offer a solution. This will ensure that your product is not only useful, but also in demand. Let's say you're a pro at using Excel. You know all the shortcuts, formulas, and tricks to make data analysis a breeze. You could create a course teaching others your best tips and tricks. This course could include video tutorials, downloadable resources, and even quizzes to test knowledge. By sharing your expertise, you not only help others, but also establish yourself as an authority in your field. Or maybe you're a fitness enthusiast. You have a passion for health and wellness, and you've developed effective workout routines and nutrition plans. You could create an ebook with healthy recipes and workout plans. This ebook could be a comprehensive guide that helps people achieve their fitness goals. It could include meal plans, exercise routines, and tips for staying motivated. By packaging your knowledge into a digital product, you can reach a wider audience and make a positive impact on their lives. Once your product is ready, the next step is to set up an online store, or use platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website to sell it. Marketing your product effectively is crucial. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to reach your target audience. The more visibility your product gets, the higher the chances of making sales. And don't forget to gather feedback from your customers. Positive reviews and testimonials can boost your credibility and attract more buyers. Continuously improve your product based on feedback to ensure it remains relevant and valuable. The ultimate goal is to create a product that not only generates income but also gives you the freedom to enjoy life. With a successful digital product, you can achieve financial independence and have more time to spend on things you love. So, start brainstorming, create that product, and let it work for you. Create once, sell forever. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Recommend and earn. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to make money online. It's all about recommending products or services you love and earning a commission on any sales you generate. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or handle any customer service. The key to success with affiliate marketing is choosing the right products to promote. Focus on products that are relevant to your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Once you've found some great products, you can start promoting them on your website, blog, social media, or even through email marketing. Chapter 5. YouTube, your channel, your brand. Let's talk about YouTube. Yes, it takes time and effort to build a successful channel, but the potential is huge. Think about it. You get to create content about something you're passionate about, connect with people who share your interests, and potentially earn a significant income from ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality content consistently, and optimize your videos for search. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content to see what resonates with your audience. And most importantly, be yourself and have fun with it. Outro: start building your online empire. Thanks for watching our No BS guide on making money online. We hope you found it insightful and motivating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more practical tips and advice. Remember, building a sustainable online income takes time and effort, but it's definitely achievable if you're willing to put in the work. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step today. Start exploring these opportunities and see what works best for you. You got this.